Johnny took up the hill feeding this morning, trying to make better friends with Morris. Good morning, girls.
Good morning. It's been one of those kind of mornings.
Good morning, Donnie.
It's beautiful out here.
It's a little chilly, but I'll take it. It's sunny. A beautiful sun.
Yeah. Look at those.
I'll take the beautiful sun.
That's right. I wish I could stay out here, but I gotta go to work.
Wow, really opening up. Very pretty. Ah, birds chirping.
Yeah.
No wind.
No wind.
No rain.
No rain.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's very nice. The trees are really starting to put out some leaves. They're popping, all of them are.
I'm up here seeing Stripe, and he is in a very gentle, lovey-dovey, purring, need his feet, happy mood. Aren't you, buddy? This is a nice cat. I mean, he is really a nice cat. It's a good boy. It really is a gorgeous day. I'm gonna head into town and go to Walmart, amongst other things. I might stop into Guardian Angel at least long enough to look for Legos. Make a quick pass. I might do that. Good morning, Ruby. Well, I was gonna go over to Trinity and take that gym down. Yellow has held it for several days. But nope, not with the construction traffic. I'll leave it for another time. I just heard from Michelle. Looks like Friday is still gonna work for her for our shopping at Guardian Angel trip. So way cool. Johnny will already be at his father's house, and Dawn, as far as I know, is still working even though it's Good Friday. So sounds like a plan. I've already seen a couple of swallowtail butterflies this morning, so I'm gonna drive up by the old Harris Teeter parking lot where there are a lot of Yoshino cherry trees and see if I can't get some butterfly pictures. It's I don't know what the temperature is. I would have thought it was a little bit cold for butterflies, but if they're out and about, I sure would like to try to get some pictures. Windy, and I'll study it for a few minutes, but so far not seeing any butterflies. Not the nicest backdrop up there with the power line, but you know, you'd never see that if I started shooting up close butterfly photos. I see it's raining blossoms too. Pretty. Ruby says it's 62. There's a whole row of them, but this one on the end looks the nicest. Normally I would have parked over there, but I learned my lesson the hard way last year that the landscaper guys will probably come while I'm inside for 15 minutes shopping and try to weed eat and blow right beside Ruby. So nope, I'll park there instead. So I am in need of one more receipt to upload to this app that I'm using that is giving me rewards for sharing receipts. Like, I really care that they know that I bought cat food at Walmart. I don't care. So I guess the days of the $1.50 or even 99-cent 6-packs are over. I pretty much want to buy every hydrangea I see. They're just so pretty. But mine will be blooming soon. I don't recognize this. Wow, $9.88, whatever it is, and it's an annual. It's a type of geranium. Huh. Wow, an expensive type of geranium. So a whole new series of Hot Wheels is out here at the Fuquay Walmart. I don't see any Teslas. Anybody know if there's supposed to be anything in this pack, in these cartons? Wow, that's the most cat food I've seen over here in couple of months. Did I nail it or what? Yard crew showed up to cut the grass over there while I was inside. Didn't start cutting, but showed up. I just had a feeling. I've got the time and the inclination to make a quick pass through Guardian Angel. Michelle wants me to check out jewelry, even though we'll be here Friday, and I want to look for Legos, so yeah. I love that tablecloth, but it's just not big enough. That one's different. A pair of capris and a shirt. Looks like that's going to be it for today. It's 69 degrees now, but even if I'd found any butterflies while I was out, the wind would have really made it hard to take really good pictures of them. So I am finishing up my pogo here at South Park and headed back to the house. Well, I'm back working on the Queen and Victorian, and I've decided I want magenta colored floor. Basically a dark pink, and so I ordered those bricks. I did outline it in white, but I'm going to fill it in with magenta. And I did have some more medium lavender come last night, so I can continue on the walls. I made good progress with this building again today. When I look at it from this position, I'm pretty darn happy with it. If I spin it around and look at it from the other side, I'm not as happy. Part of that is just that I ran out of bricks again. This looks good, although, you know, this whole have these squares to make it look Victorian, I guess. As far as construction, it makes things a little not as connected as you normally would want to interleave them. And then down here, this is 4 and 4, but this is 4 and 3 because it's narrower up at the top. I mean, it's built, it's the way the instructions had it. This is going to be fine when I get some more bricks. I just went ahead and used these other bricks today so I could finish topping it out and see how it was going to all fit together. I noticed this down here, white and gray. That's not me. That was the instructions. I went back and looked. I guess that's okay. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to fool with this or not. We'll see. But, I mean, it's coming along. There is a little bit of a gap up here, and that's how the instructions were again. And this column is not, it's not quite as straight as I would like it to be, but it's okay. Like I said, if I just look at it from right here, or maybe like right here, I'm really happy with it, how it looks. So we'll just go with that. Of all the ones I've done, I think this one's frustrated me the most. And you can see inside, like I said, I'm going to do that floor in magenta. Magenta being this color brick, this dark pink color. That would be beef stew for dinner. So I can go outside and hang with Dawn. And then when we come in, it'll just be ready to go. You like that idea? You like that idea? Okay. Is it that time again?
It's time to put me to work.
Okay. We're gonna reclaim this area and work our way in that direction. Clean it up a little bit better than we got it yesterday. Don says we've had enough fun for one night. We carted off 2 very full wheelbarrow fulls of mostly vines, but some fallen tree limbs and stuff. I've got this, you know, path going around the house now better. Yeah, here's the view I started from the beginning. So we did like 10 to 15 feet kind of in a semicircle.